Welcome to Usha Homeopathy TV channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about the homeopathic remedy. What are the best homeopathic remedies for brain stroke? Brain stroke. Frequently the people are asking about this question: how to manage the brain stroke with homeopathic medicines? Whether there are any homeopathic medicine to manage the brain stroke, or is it whether it is possible to manage with homeopathic medicines? The answer is straight: yes, it is possible to manage the brain stroke with homeopathic remedies. The brain hemorrhages, whether it is a small or the massive hemorrhages, they respond to homeopathic remedies very well. Along with homeopathic treatment, we need the life-saving and the life-supportive measures. Like you have to join the patient in ICU, and we have to start the treatment with homeopathic medicines as well, along with the allopathic medicines. In these cases, all respond to homeopathic treatment very well. First of all, we have to know what are the causes of the brain stroke or the hemorrhages in the brain. The first cause is the injury. The most people get these brain hemorrhages because of the injuries. And also another cause is the neglected high BP, neglected blood pressure. The people neglect the blood pressure and gradually they get the hemorrhages in the brain. The most cases we are watching in our clinic is the second variety, that are the neglected blood pressure cases. If you neglect if you are the blood pressure patient, and if you neglect the blood pressure for a long time, they lead into the occlusive disorders, the internal occlusive disorders, and they lead into the brain hemorrhages. These cases respond very well to homeopathy. Even the patient is unconscious, whether he is in a coma, also they respond to homeopathic medicines very well. The first, most and the best medicine for this brain stroke is the Mercurius solubilis. No need to study the case in entire. Just you give the Mercurius solubilis, just 2 pills. If it is not also the 2 pills, just you give the single pill of Mercurius solubilis 30, and certainly it bring back the patient into consciousness within 24 hours. That is certainly the homeopathic medicine, the Mercurius solubilis is the best medicine. For corona also, I have suggested this Mercusol 30. It is such a remedy. It is such a powerful medicine that it can bring back the patient who are in the unconsciousness, to bring back them into the consciousness. Such a wonderful remedy is the Mercurius solubilis, and we have to use this medicine in 30 potency. Just a single pill is enough. If you give more pills, then it can turn into the dangerous remedy. It can cause death, even it can cause the life-threatening side effects. So always better to give a single pill of this medicine in such a cases. And the next best remedy is the arnica. Along with the Mercurius solubilis 30, if you give arnica mother tincture, the 4 drops daily 4 times a day in a cup of water, directly you can give this arnica mother tincture onto the tongue of the patient daily 4 times a day, and this also helps to dissolve the blood clots within the brain. Whether it is a massive or whether it is a small clots, the arnica is such a remedy, wonderful remedy. It can dissolve the blood clots within the brain. And to say, if it takes 30 days for allopathic treatment to bring back the patient into consciousness or into the normal lifestyle, along with the homeopathic medicine, by using homeopathic medicine, it takes 1 week or no less than 1 week to make the patient into normal life, to bring back the patient into the normal life. And such a wonderful medicines or homeopathic medicines in these brain stroke cases and these brain hemorrhage cases. And after, no need to study the case in entire. Just arnica and Mercusol are such a beautiful remedies and most specific remedies for the brain stroke or the hemorrhages in the brain. Once the Mercusol has acted well, then we need to study the case in detail. After that, the lachesis, after the phase of Mercurius solubilis, in order to prevent the chronic effects of the brain stroke or the recurrence of a brain stroke, we need to study the case in detail, and we have to select the patient constitutional remedy, that is the lachesis. The lachesis, in most cases we use lachesis after Mercurius solubilis, and in some cases we use phosphorus. Phosphorus and lachesis constitutions are prone to the brain hemorrhages mostly, and also the lycopodium constitutions where the blood pressure is neglected. So We need to study the constitution, and to prevent the recurrence we need to give the constitutional remedy, that may be the lachesis or lycopodium or the phosphorus or any other remedy. Apart from these remedies, there are more than 50 remedies in homeopathy that we have to select according to the patient constitution, and frequently in our clinic we use the lachesis, phosphorus and this lycopodium in order to prevent the recurrence in brain strokes or recurrence in hemorrhages. This is all about the brain stroke and about the brain hemorrhages and homeopathic management. In the next session, we will meet with some other disease. Until then, bye.